Hello everybody, this is 90 Seconds with Nash. My name is Maureen Brown and I'm the manager of the Nashville Farmers Market and the Nash County Farmers Market in Rocky Mount. In addition to my duties at the farmers markets, I am also the app administrator for Visit NC Farms app. Did you know that Nash County has hundreds of farms and approximately 50 have signed up to be listed on the app? Using cell phone technology, residents and visitors can find farms closest to them with products and activities that interest them. To download the app, go to the App Store on your phone and search for Visit NC Farms app. If you need more information about the app, or if your farm or agricultural business would like to be listed on the app, please go to our webpage, nash.ces.ncsu.edu, and search Visit NC Farms on our webpage. Thanks everybody, that's 90 Seconds with Nash.